Counting calories and macros on an app can be exhausting. We have all tried this. I have clients that come into me the first time. They're so excited to get on their plan. They download their app and tracking lasts for about 2 weeks. And it's not because these apps are so difficult to use. It's just because they are so finicky and it becomes overwhelming and doesn't help anyone stick to their plan. So today I want to show you an alternative. And it's very simple, and this method not only is simple, but it works, and it takes about 30 seconds per meal. I use a portion control plan not only to build weight loss plans, but to also track the calories and the dominant macros using only 4 simple food categories. But before I walk you through those categories, I want to say one thing, and this is really important. You do not need to be perfect when you are doing this. You just need to be close enough, because what I've learned is that close enough, done consistently, will always beat perfection every time. And that's the whole idea behind this system. There's 4 simple food categories. Protein, which on average has 150 calories per serving. Vegetables, which on average has 25 calories per serving. Fats, which has 100 calories per serving. And carbohydrates have 80 calories per serving. And this food list will be linked in the description below. And from this very simple food list, we can calculate the calories on our plate. So let me show you what my dinner looked like last night. So I had salmon, 1 serving, 1 mark, 150 calories. Asparagus, 2 servings, 2 marks, 50 calories. Butter, 1 serving, 1 mark, 100 calories. And rice, 1 serving, 1 mark, 80 calories. And then I also had a little bit of a dessert on the side, which was an extra 20 calories. And all I do for that is just put the calories in. And that's it. That's dinner. A few marks on a piece of paper. That came up to about 400 calories. It's so quick and easy to do. You don't need to memorize anything. You don't need to do endless scrolling. You just have to have a simple system that you will be consistent with. So if you want the free food list download and the journal template, the link is in the description below.